I believe self-awareness is required to be a homeschool mom. Did I know I needed it when I started? The answer is hell no, but I learned it along the way. I invite you to check out these journaling workbooks that you can find over at www.capturingthecharmedlife.com. When you spend enough time assessing your emotional climate, getting to know you, and someday soon I'm going to build the Self-Awareness for the Homeschool Mama journal to help you learn more about you. Answer these questions with your journal and pen. What makes you feel good? What makes life fun for you? Maybe you could write, be Maria, and 6 things that define who Maria is. What has been the biggest challenge that you've dealt